Here's Sheppy, retired sheepdog, helping me. If you were following over on my knitting channel, my crafting channel, Wild Cottage Knitting, you may have seen that he was quite unwell for a few days while we were here at Susanna's, but he's much better now. But this video is not about any of that. This is about Judy the sheep, who's one of my favorites, her birthing story. If you're new to this channel, I'm Susan. I live in County Clare at Wild Cottage, and on this channel we do all sorts of our little cottage life things, the gardening, the wildlife, or whatever. That's what's going to be on here. But I come usually most years at lambing time and help out Susanna, my friend Susanna, in County Kilkenny here in Ireland, at her black sheep farm where she has the Zwartbles breed. And so this year I've been here for about 3 weeks. I'm getting ready to leave soon. So I was very excited that Judy had her lamb before I left. And this is the story of Judy having her lamb and what it was and if she needed help or not. Just realized I just better say that, give you a little warning that it's an actual lamb's birth, so you see it all happen. And yeah, so just be warned, if that's not what you want to see, then this is not the video for you. And also I should say as well, Susanna is here on YouTube. I'll link below, Susanna Crampton, Zwartbles Ireland. She's also got a big presence on Twitter and Instagram. I think she's also on Facebook, and she's on Patreon as well. All, I believe, as Zwartbles Ireland. But if you Google that, you'll find her. So, and she has a small farm here in County Kilkenny. It's a regenerative farm, so to bring back life to the soil and wildlife. It's a really special place. And yeah, it's just a small one woman farm, and she does a fantastic job here. So, and when I say I come help with the lambing, like I don't pull out lambs or anything. I just take the night shift, and certain times if she's busy doing other things or whatever, I check the sheep for lambing and call her if anything is needed. Hey, Magpie. Hi. So Magpie was in the vicinity to oversee Judy having her lamb, but are you training to be the shepherd cat? Meow. It was funny, I had come out earlier. I did a check when Susanna was having a sleep and Judy was out in the field here. And I said, Judy, yeah, you need to have your baby soon because I'm leaving in a few days. And then 2 hours later, she was starting to have her lamb. So, yeah, because Judy's my buddy. I wanted to be here when she had her lamb. Okay.
But I think she might be needing help.
Because when I came out around 4 and she was out there.
Okay, so she made her way in there where she's lambing now, and I think she might need my help.
There's Judy.
Hey Judy, sweetie. How are you? Oh, that's your water bag. Are you doing okay? That's just your water bag. You good girl. Can I look? Yeah, it's just the water bag.
Okay.
So we're gonna have a little while.
Have a little wait.
Oh, there is a toe. So she's
getting
further along than she
closer.
was before.
Yeah, we'll give you some time alone. Ebony's coming for the scritch.
Hey, Judy.
Judy's lambing, having
You just don't want to
not
touch me.
much is happening, but She's just been at this stage for a while. There's one little toe, so Susanna's gonna help her out a little. Good girl, Ebony. Ebony's stepping up on the... I'll scratch you. Good girl. Come on. Ebony. I'm not paying enough attention to Ebony, she thinks. I am giving her a scratch while filming. Yeah. Judy is the star of the moment.
Legs are coming out the right way.
Oh good, legs are coming out the right way. There's the two legs. Gently helping the lamb out.
Okay, there's the nose.
There's the nose.
You want to come in?
Okay.
So you're closer?
Little feet.
No, go that way. Stay that way. Yeah, you can lick my hands. There, you can see. That's your baby coming. I've got to help her dilate a little bit because she's been trying for a while. So I'm massaging the inside of the birth canal to make it open up a little bit. Okay. Come on, girl. Good girl. Okay, here we come.
I see the nose.
You can see the nose. It's still very tight in there. Atta girl, come on. So massaging the roof of the canal to help the birth, to get the lamb's head out. Come on, push a little bit more. Good girl. Yeah, good girl. Nearly there. Yeah, nearly there. Nearly there. And here we go.
There. Oh, that's Nearly, come on, girl. There we go. There.
Ah,
There's
okay. This is little Yo.
our little girl. There's
Little
your
girl.
little girl.
There you go. Yeah.
Yeah.
There you go. Ah, girl. Yeah. There you go. Good girl. Now don't lick me. You can lick your lamb. Clever Judy. Yeah. I love that nickering sound.
I know, it's great.
There you go. And you're breathing beautifully. Covered in poison food. Oop. Okay. Okay, yeah, I'd say it's a stonker of a Yo lamb, so that's probably why it was
Not
difficult to
Yeah,
lamb it.
wasn't coming out on its own in a timely manner.
No, it was
Yeah.
not coming out in a timely manner.
Good girl, Judy.
Well done, Judy.
Yeah.